So you might be trying to figure out if you can use an Apple Watch without an iPhone. Now, the short answer of this is yes, you can use an Apple Watch without an iPhone, but you will have to have an iPhone in order to pair up an Apple Watch. So if the Apple Watch is already unlocked and if it's already usable like this, then you might be okay with it. But you might have to go through and actually use an Apple Watch like you might have to use an iPhone to actually kind of theoretically pair it up for the first time. But afterwards, you can kind of use your Apple Watch as you normally would. There's a lot of stuff that still works with your Apple Watch with just a Wi-Fi connection. Like you don't need you don't need an iPhone connected. What you can do is you can still track your workouts. You can still check your steps. You can still check, you can still use Apple Pay if you need to. Any applications that are already downloaded on your Apple Watch, you can also use. So you can also go through and you can look at some photos that you have or some messages that you've already sent. You can access those via your Apple Watch. Now, on top of that, any music that you've already downloaded, that will also be supported inside of this particular Apple Watch as well. So if you're going through and if you're still listening to songs, on your Apple Watch, you can go through and see all the downloaded songs that you have on your device, and that is something that's actually very cool as well. So you do have that type of capability there, and I do think this in and of itself is another very, very nice thing that you basically have. So you're able to go ahead and use this watch as you can right there. And I do think that's another really cool thing to kind of think about there as well. So that's kind of that. Again, I wouldn't really recommend it, but you can use an Apple Watch without an iPhone. It's just you won't be able to get all those types of features and capabilities, but that's basically that. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.